What's up, Cardano Ada holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Don't miss this update. Don't miss this video, my friends. If you miss this video, so there's a chance that you will lose your money in a Cardano Ada, my friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends. But before starting this interesting video, please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. The current condition of the Cardano Ada in the market is going wrong. You already know about that the current condition of the Cardano Ada is going wrong and the price of Cardano is completely falls down. So what should we do at this time in a critical conditions, my friends? What is the solution of this issue, my friends? My friends, you know what? A lot of people understand that selling is the best solution of this problem. But no, my friends, they are wrong. Selling is not a solution you have to hold. Now the current price of the Cardano in the market is 1.54 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Cardano Ada. Other side, you can see here the price since after last 1 hour, after last 1 day, after last 1 weekend, the whole changes occur in the Cardano Ada is completely going wrong. So that is why don't miss this video. If you miss, so maybe you lose in the future. Let me show you the price chart of the Cardano Ada. My friends, from the price chart, it's clear that the price of Cardano Ada is falls down. But now, if we zoom the last condition of the Cardano Ada, so you can easily understand the future of Cardano. You can see here, my friends, in the previous time the price falls down, but now the current condition of Cardano Ada is going good. So, my friends, there is a hope for Cardano holders to the price will pump. There is a hope. So if you decide to sell at this time, so you are in the loss, because the last 1 month price changes is negative, so you are in the loss. Other side, you decide to hold. If you decide to hold, so maybe, my friends, there is a lot of chances to the price will pump and you will get a profit from the Cardano. And I also recommend for all of my viewers, my subscribers, to please hold and don't decide to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Cardano Ada? Please tell them in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.